What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fall drink. I'm really excited. This is a super simple, super easy recipe and it tastes so good. Like, so good. It is going to be a great hit at any of your upcoming fall parties, so stay tuned. This is really simple, really quick, and I promise you're going to love it. That was the simplest recipe, wasn't it? Try it at your next fall party. Let me know in the comments below what they thought about it, and don't forget to subscribe. I do a fall holiday how-to I do a holiday how-to every Sunday at 11:30, so stay tuned, and as always, beautiful, cheers.